Our next recipe that we want to share with you is a salad. Do you enjoy salads, Jade?
I love salads.
Yes.
You know, I actually enjoy the food in Australia. There's a lot of variety and it's readily available. So it's really good to have fresh salad, especially in summer.
Yes. Fresh foods really should be in our menu plan on a daily basis, shouldn't it?
That's right.
And so that also covers fruit.
Yes.
Having a piece of fruit with your breakfast
Yes.
is really important. Nutrient content and fibre, but also to get good absorption from the iron that comes from non-animal sources, and that's called non-heme iron.
Yes.
And so to get a good absorption rate from the iron in plant foods, you need a vitamin C food with the same meal. And so having some fruit with your breakfast is actually very nice because it tastes good, but it's very good nutritionally as well.
Yes, you can also get your vitamin C from some vegetables.
Yes, you can.
Carrots is very rich in vitamin C.
Yes. And so when your vegetables are fresh, vitamin C is usually there. When people say to me, where am I going to get my vitamin C from? The very first thing that comes to my mind is fresh.
Fresh. That's a good sound. That's actually a good word to remember.
Yeah, because vitamin C is heat sensitive. So when we start cooking, we may still have a little if we've steamed it in a healthy way. But, you know, most of it will be gone, and I don't count on that. That's just a little bonus that might still be there. I look at fresh food and I include it on a daily basis so that I can get my vitamin C and also all the other good things that are there. And there are hosts of natural substances there that are important. So let's put this salad together.
Okay, so we've got 4 cups of shredded cabbage.
Thank you. 4 cups of shredded cabbage. And then we've got lots of other vegetables. What I might do is to put the dressing through first so that it's not too hard at the end to put through.
Okay.
And the dressing is just a low-fat mayonnaise, as we've used before, with some tomato juice and some lemon juice added. And again, so that it runs off the spoon, as you can see, not so that it's all thick. And so we're just going to add enough to moisten these ingredients, and then we'll add the rest of the vegetables. A little bit hard to mix, but you just keep stirring and you'll get there. We will need just a little bit more. I did measure this out, and so 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of tomato juice. So just mix that together, and then we can add the other ingredients. What have we got there, Jade?
So would you like some carrots? I think this is 1 carrot.
1
shredded
carrot. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. What else have we got?
We have some pineapple.
Yes, this is crushed pineapple. And it just adds a lovely tropical flavour. And we've called it Touch of the Tropics because it has a tropical flavour. That would be nice. Thank you. Very good. We've got a few other things there.
So we have a quarter cup of red capsicum and green capsicum.
And that goes in as well. Now, again, as we have said quite a few times before, you can have whatever vegetables you like. These are the ones we've chosen. And when you start off, I hope that you'll want to try this, but you can certainly substitute other vegetables there. And we've got more.
We've got 6 spring onions.
6 spring onions. Okay. Very good. And we now have some well, they're called craisins, but they're really cranberries. Have you noticed that they seem to have adopted a new name for them, craisins?
Craisins.
Maybe they're a mixture between raisins and
They look a bit like raisins, but they're red.
yeah.
So we need a quarter cup of
Yes.
cranberries, but children love sweet fruits like raisins. So you can put a little bit more of cranberries, and you can actually put a bit more of the ingredients as you would like to.
Absolutely.
So you can
Just
mix
pop
this
them
in. It just gives it a nice sweet flavour.
Yes.
Not too sweet, but just enough to actually give it a nice flavour.
If you haven't tried cranberries before, I encourage you to purchase some. They are just beautiful. They're very healthy too. And so we're going to put that onto a plate, and then we'll sprinkle some toasted sunflower seeds on top. Again, lovely and colourful. Look at that. Does that look inviting?
That looks delicious.
One more, and then you can just sprinkle some of those seeds over the
So
top.
we can sprinkle some. So this will give it some crunchiness. Whoops, when you eat the salad. That should be right.
There we are.